I know, but there's stuff we have to do. Like you do. Adam explained to me the other day that you just want privacy time.
Hey, don't bring me into it.
No. Okay, alright, bye. Alright, bye.
No, just really, that's totally reasonable time. Like
It
you,
is?
yeah, when you go out, like you don't get to fly all day. Like you have your packs and you bring your packs and go home. You know.
Yeah.
All right, hop in goggles. Yeah, they're definitely doing so. Yeah, any object basically is gonna block signal. So everything's about line of sight. You know, it's cleaner, more direct line of sight you have to it. Basically being able to see it, have eyes on it, physically, but basically the way you could. It's gonna be the best signal. But so you just have to be conscious of that when you're flying. Know that if you go around the tree, your signal might get a little bit bad or whatever. But also know that once you get around it,
It's gonna be better.
yeah.
Alright.
Just be conscious of that.
Oh.
I'd say.
Awesome.
Yeah! Yeah!